Certificate for you?
I started when I was 2. In case you wanted to know.
Good work, Dave.
35 years.
That one's a 3,500.
Okay, really, maybe 3.
Wait, Daisy's over there.
3,500 years?
No, 3,500. Skydiving. Well,
35 years.
Really well.
Over your head. If you
can't be 3,500.
Yeah. No.
Yeah, these guys keep coming along here. That's 35 one.
35 years.
Oh, sorry, that's 35-year pin.
You don't have any heat.
Another pin coming up.
I forgot my switcher over
We
there.
have Dave 6,000 plus,
Yeah.
but only had the 6,000.
Right on.
So that means that every girl gets to line up, and we're going to give them spankings until we get 6,000.
Oh, let it go.
Oh, Pam first.
No dibs.
You really lady.
Oh, okay.
I'll go next time.
I heard you had 14 down.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
This is going to turn into a great YouTube.
Right on. Thank you very much. 35 years and that school guy is going strong. Getting bigger.
Shaking of the hands.
I never had shaking of the hands. I'm sorry.
Pictures of the shaking of the butt.
That was me.
It certainly takes more than me to make Atlantic School of Skydiving.
No,
I'm
absolutely.
really happy to be here. And
I'm just glad I'm
I'm the 75th member to achieve 35 years in CSU.
Oh.
And that's, and all the money I spent on skydiving.
You can buy a new car.
And I'd go somewhere and do a lot of jumps. So
Sounds like a potato can.
Proud to accept this and proud to have all you guys here. Thanks for Now, moving on to that, an award that I'm not able to present tonight. Even better than this. We have a member of Atlantic School of Skydiving in Nova Scotia, Pete Grant, which you guys know, the old guy with the round parachute.
Yes!
Well,
Is it safe?
he has achieved his 50th year of membership in CSU.
Wow.
And he is the 5th member ever of CSPA to achieve, have that achievement. Anyway, I wanted to tell you guys about that because he's not here tonight, and I
could have had a
like to have
picture.
presented
We
that.
can accept it for him.
But we will present that to him, and I wanted you to know about that.
Right on. Wow. 50 years.
Yeah, he sucks.
Falling down.